Hello guys, I am Dr. Neha Agarwal, your ophthalmology guru and eGurukul academic advisor and mentor. Questionbank and tests are the legendary of Dr. Bhatia from 25 years. Everybody used to say कि Bhatia नहीं दिया तो कुछ भी नहीं दिया. More than 80% of the faculties have actually passed from that domain. I know the question bank and the test goes lethargic at times. I accept it. But you know, nothing is perfect. But we are making it perfect, working day and night. We have made it that awesome that you will not find much of the mistakes now. So the whole question bank gets checked multiple times before it is finally uploaded on the app so that the whole experience never gets dull. Our question bank is coming up with some of the awesome features which will not only help you in improving your skills for the examination but also help in practical knowledge, which is again very important for your clinics as well as next too. Students can access their question bank according to the videos. They can see a video and attempt a module. I think this is best for the understanding of a topic. Just see a video and complete your module. Now talking about the type of questions in our question bank. So guys, we are next ready. So we have reduced the number of one-liners to just 25 to 30%. Now why we have kept this 25 to 30%? Why not 100% clinical scenarios? So I proudly say that in spite of the other platforms who kept 100% clinical scenarios, we did continued with 25 to 30% one-liners, and NEET PG 2021 showed that we were right. Now we have an amazing feature of custom question bank when students can prepare their own module according to their own subjects and topics in which they are weak in. Now the whole idea is to work upon the strength-weakness analysis. Guys, there is no point of doing the things repetitively which you already know. Instead of that, the things you are weak in, the topics, the subjects and the modules, you can prepare your own module and keep on working over it. So hashtagging is a very important update on our question bank, where students can search for the questions according to the 15 important hashtags relevant to different examinations, NEET, AIMS, INI-CET. We have type of questions like clinical scenarios and slides. Hashtagging is a very important feature so that students cannot miss any of the important questions, be it a previous year question, a clinical scenario question or a slide related question. Another important feature is a timer. Now with the help of this timer, students can improve their efficiency of solving the questions. They can set the timer to 30 seconds, 45 seconds or 60 seconds and look at their efficiency of doing the questions. If you wish, you can even omit this feature. Now all the previous year recall questions of NEET and INI-CET till 2021 will also be available in the question bank. We have also reintroduced the COVID question bank, and all the questions related to the COVID are also being updated. So guys, we are next ready. Whole of the pattern, whole of the plan is ready. So we are all done for the next. Come and feel the difference and attempt the QBank from eGurukul 3.2. So guys, it is my assurance that this QB is very close to my heart, and believe me, it will be close to your heart also once you start attempting it. और हमेशा याद रखना, भाटिया है तो भरोसा है.